Mm, 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 mm. YouTube. Hmm. Bentar, bentar. Kita share dulu. Udah. Nah, itu dia. Ayolah. Kopral Sejan. Sadam suppressor. Ini granat nggak perlu sih. Locker nggak perlu. Itu sih ya man. Mana kita? Oh, deket nggak usah pakai motor. Sayang bensinnya. Kopral. Kopral. Ntar dulu deh, aku nggak mau beraksi malam ya. Aku tidur dulu deh. Karena masih Sarah baru. Dia ngomong nih loh. Tidur. Sekarang live streaming di YouTube kayak susah buat naiknya ya. Naiknya tuh susah, Pak. Kelihatan perbedaan di YouTube sama di platform lain. Kayak TikTok gitu kan. Kan kalau TikTok kan semua bisa, Mas. Semua bisa dapat view gede gitu. Berpeluang lah, masih berpeluang kalau TikTok. Kalau YouTube nih kenapa ya yang di ini yang di atas cuma yang emang benar-benar udah banyak subscribernya. See you around, Taylor.
Estarás bien. You'll be fine. Just don't start any bar fights. You know, me parece. I was thinking it's been a while since I've done this shit. I'm getting soft. Estoy ablandando.
Are you? Oh, I'm serious. You want to go on?
I used to ride myself before the world went to hell, you know.
Let's go. Corporal?
Kolonel. Sigaret.
Going someplace?
Coronel, it's been a while since
Galadel.
I was going to go and
No. I don't think so. Sir, I can look out for him.
Dismissed, Corporal.
Pat, I've been out in the shit before.
I understand. But again, if anything, I don't know what to do.
Kenapa ya si kolonel ini takut banget kehilangan si dokternya tadi? Siapa namanya? What kept me going? Si Sarah nih kayaknya nih. Iya nih Sarah. Tendanya Sarah. Nah, harus malam gitu loh. Kan bisa gitu siang-siang aktivitas. Harus malam.
That's it. That's as far as I can go. You can't unless you do DNA synthesis or something.
There's not a part store near Fort Planning.
If you can't get what I need there, you... Really? Yeah, that's great.
Mereka mau ke old labnya si Sarah yang waktu beberapa hari yang lalu kita mainin, yang Zero Days Gone. Itu zaman dulunya si Sarah.
Yes. No, I'm joking. I mean, no, it's not. Well, I don't know. Are you going to take me or not? Hey, Dee.
God, you say thank you one more time.
I hope.
Colonel? Captain? Yes, we're heading to help Magnolia make some good progress. Thank you for assigning me to my project.
Kalau Dick nggak tuh ngomongnya? Dick, Deacon.
I heard. Mine will be ready soon.
You realize you are more valuable than the piece of equipment placed here.
You know that.
Carry on. Want to see this?
Baru masuk udah ada 2 strip 2. Oh, yang satu kayak I gitu, letnan, panah ke atas 2 kopral, panah ke atas 1 kayak si Tyler apa ya?
What is that all about, anyway? What? All the yes sirs and no sirs and saluting in the ranks and the uniforms just seems kind of pointless, you know, considering.
Menggedek si Deacon sama yang yes sir, no sir.
Well, there were more people in the world. I
Tentara.
don't know. I mean, having a military made more sense.
I think it makes more sense now.
Why?
It's utter fucking chaos out here. We need the order and discipline, or we're not gonna make it.
You know, I've been at plenty of camps that are doing just fine without having a colonel breathing down their necks.
You know what's funny about uniforms and ranks sitting pointless, I mean?
No, what?
I used to think the same thing about the MC. I mean, you guys had ranks like rogue captain and president, and you wore badges and patches, and tabs like uniforms. And when you guys used to all ride together, you looked like one.
Kayaknya sebentar deh, aku kayaknya ininya kecil banget suaranya. Dah, yuk. Kecil banget kayaknya suaranya nih.
Well, except that we're right.
Nah,
Now that
ada.
you mention it, I can see your point.
You know, I'm actually surprised you were wearing your cut when you came into camp. I didn't think anything would make you look that up. Even the end of the world.
Diajak ngetrek nggak tuh si Sarah?
Cut, we're gonna have to see if the colonel will let me switch uniform.
You know, there is that. Where are we headed?
Diamond Lake. It's an old
Ah,
forest
Diamond
service
Lake.
road that winds around the western face of Mount Teal system.
Diamond Lake itu yang awal-awal kita ya. Awal-awal kesini. Gimana kocak jalannya lu? Nah, ini dia.
Yeah, but the soldiers stationed there were having bear problems.
Bear problems gitu. Bear problems gitu.
We have to turn around, buddy. We got orders to keep anyone.
Keep anyone from what?
Sorry, man, I didn't see it. It's the colonel. He's giving us orders to keep an eye out for everyone.
Are you accusing me?
Oh, Sarah langsung takut gitu.
Then get out of my way. Corporal, what are you still doing there? Get the hell out of my way.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, man.
Kolonel.
I'll have to report this.
Yeah, you do that.
Terima kasih.
That sounds
Sarah punya
serious.
kekuasaan ya kayaknya ya.
Well, he said he's gonna report you. I mean, how's Matt gonna take that?
Colonel, we'll tell him to mind his own
Lo nggak bisa belok nih.
business and never question
Cuma gas rem doang. Oh ini pun nggak aku gas. Dia ngegas sendiri. Cutscene kayaknya.
What's wrong?
nothing. It's just the view up here. It's incredible.
Yeah, I guess I just don't see it anymore. Pay attention to it, I mean.
How can you not?
Bagus ya.
Yeah, the world wakes up, grateful for another dawn.
Emang game-game adventure tuh begini tuh. Gambar bagus banget pemandangannya.
Appreciate it, you know. Being around when the morning comes up is a hell of a lot better than the alternative.
I gotta be honest. You know, there were times when I didn't believe you about, hoping to see another day.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
What kept you going? Back then.
I don't know, just too goddamn stubborn to give up, I think.
I don't believe you.
I did give up, Sarah, I did. And then I don't know, Boozer's arm got fucked up, and I had to, I mean, I wasn't gonna let him die, you know, so watching him struggle to keep going when he had no reason, no fucking reason at all. I guess I didn't wanna let him down. So I didn't want to go out that way. And then I found out that
Bagus ya pemandangannya.
that's when I really wanted. That's when I really wanted to kill myself.
Yeah, right.
No, seriously. But then I remembered you still have my Mongols ring. That's what kept me going. Figured I'd look you up, get it back. You know how that turned out. Exactly.
Things are gonna get better, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We can win this thing, Deacon. We can.
You trying to convince me or you?
Nyampe kah? Dialognya banyak nih.
We must be getting close, right?
Yeah, we're
Ada
coming up
beberapa
on the
informasi
Teal
juga.
Tunnel.
Makanya mungkin di setir kita fokus ya. Seperti itu. Buka map kayaknya nih ya. Lumayan deh. Tapi mah aku udah kesini.
Need your help to move that out of the way.
Udah ini ya. Belum. Nggak tahu dah.
Sigil.
Reaper.
Warning sign from the Grippers.
Kayaknya pernah ini deh.
Rest in peace. They were a cult. Cut themselves. They worship freaks. There's nothing like that. It's
Reaper kan udah pada mati kan?
How do we do?
Tenggelamin air semua. Sama si Deacon sama si Boozer. Sama siapa? Carlos. Udah mati kan Carlos. Dorong. North balik lagi si Deacon ke North. Iya loh, balik lagi loh. Oh alah, balik lagi ke North. Oh iya kan, benar kan, aku udah pernah lewat sini. Pertama banget ini. Kayak Sarah.
Okay, hang on. This is gonna be a tight squeeze.
Jesus. No wonder everyone gave up their cars.
This is nothing. There's a tunnel up in the old Belknap Road that Boozer and I rode through all the time. Traffic
Matiin aja deh kayaknya
backed up,
lebih
a narrow checkpoint for about a mile.
enak dimatiin.
Got overrun.
Sounds horrible.
I've seen worse, but yeah.
Kita balik lagi ya ke sini ya. Ke asal.
This looks familiar.
Yeah, it's right up here.
Oh, ini dia base awal base pertamanya Sarah. Apa lab. Kok base lab yang waktu Zero Days Gone. Waktu belum ada infected, Reaper, Murder. Kita sampai di sini. Ini bagian utara, bagian selatan.
Okay, all right. Power's still on.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me. There's a solar array on the main rooftop.
Hmm.
So, rumors about a
Ini tempat aman banget berarti ya. Kayaknya sih ada orang ya. Soalnya listriknya masih nyala, airnya tuh masih pada
power still on.
nyemprot.
Sarah Irene Whitaker, ID 2007659.
Buset, bisa apa? Nomornya. ...751 hari setelah dari dia terakhir di sini. Berarti 2 tahunan. Iya, 2 tahunan.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Nothing.
Tuh masih pada seger.
Look at this, there's so much food here. It's the irrigation system. It's all self-automated. So as long as
Oh,
the power's on,
otomatis.
it's just self-sustaining.
This place has everything. It's got food, it's got water, it's got power, it's got a big fucking fence.
Bisa sih jadiin base.
It's like you said, the power's still on. That's 8,000 volts telling everyone to keep the fuck out.
800 volt.
See? Come on.
Oh, ada aja, masih ada ya tempat kayak gini ya. Orang udah heran. Dimana-mana kayak kota mati ya kan. Udah nggak ada listrik. Ada sih listrik, cuma harus pakai generator. Bisa ngerasain air bersih juga akhirnya si Beacon. Wih, infected nggak tuh? Kaget loh aku loh. Infected itu burung-burung gagak ya. Jadi dia makan daging zombie. Dia kena virus zombinya juga, jadi lebih agresif. Logikanya begitu ya. Tapi cepatlah, lagi tegang ini. Agresif kali bah. Dan kaca-kaca di mobil ini itu masih utuh. Ya kacanya masih utuh. Kalau di luar kan udah nggak ada yang utuh pak, udah pada rusak semua kacanya. Crows. Iya, infected.
It's what's made them so hyper-aggressive. I think we should be okay as long as
Yep. pintu sebelah lagi kan bisa, Mbak. Apa kekunci pintu sebelahnya? Greenhouse. Oh enggak. Dia ngeliat yang ini, kirain ngeliat greenhouse. Ada orang nggak tuh di situ? Nggak mungkin infected sih.
Yeah, I know. Let's go, come on.
Nggak mungkin kan infected bisa duduk di jok begitu. Atau mungkin dia udah terinfeksi terus dia ngurung diri gitu.
Trying to leave.
I mean, yeah.
Tadi ada side.
Place up, they left. Why would they do that?
No, I wasn't here.
Kita masih mencari tahu dari mana virus ini berasal. Siapa yang buat virus ini nih? Cloverdale Research.
2007665.
Oh, Cloverdale. Ya, kita berputar.
So, okay, so why is what you call it, Harry? Why is Harry working at the front gate, not the front door?
Honestly, she's working it all. I remember the guys in the IT department constantly complaining about the system going down. That was with weekly maintenance.
Ya. Jadi listrik di sini emang suka naik turun, ada maintenance gitu. Sering bermasalah lah. Sering ada harus di maintenance lagi listriknya, harus dibenerin lagi. Ya tapi sekarang bisa apa, udah 2 tahun kan dia nggak kesini.
Damn it, I don't understand what he's doing.
CCTV-nya CCTV-nya kegerak. Iya kan ada orang kan di dalam.
My God, you're right. They've locked me out.
Hey! Hey, let us in! We're not here to hurt you, and we're not here to stay! Let us in!
Siapa ya yang di dalam sini?
Yeah, I've got an idea. Come on.
Semakin menarik.
There's a fire escape in the back of the maintenance.
Ye, kocak, kamera doang lo gerak-gerak.
We don't know that they've locked all in. It's probably just a glitch. The emergency exits in Camden. They're part of Cloverdale safety plans.
Nah, tangga darurat kah? Pintu darurat kayaknya.
Here's it. I just have to figure out how to get up.
Hold on. I can shoot you with that shit.
Oh, bisa tembak.
Done that before?
Once or twice. Ayo, naik. Yes, infected. I'm looking for someone.
I don't know what happened back there in the parking lot, but I'm telling you, there's no way anyone could have gotten me past this fence. I know these people. And if Jim's in there, he's gonna let us in.
Jim?
Jim, you met a cop, Jim? Jim almost shot me when I tried to
That was so long ago, and a lot's changed since then. Sarah Irene Whitaker, ID 2007659.
Ah, masih bisa.
See, I told you. Those other doors must have been bugged or something.
Baru 7 menit. Hey. You're saying? Trust no one.
I'll signal you when it's clear.
Mereka nembakin kita nggak sih? Oh iya si Sarah udah nembak-nembak.
If you get a clear shot, shoot those goddamn sneakers.
Hey, you! Look whoever's shooting! Stop!
Mantap si Sarah.
Check the computer. My name is Sarah. Whitaker, research specialist. ID number.
Tep.
It's clear.
3 orang, 3 peluru. Ini alert baik lu. Oh, sumpah. Pakai helm lo dia lo. Weh, keluar weh. Lah, mati kau sama cewek. Weh. Ya ampun, berisik amat. Sterilizer full. Buset. Headshot. Tap. Alert. Nah ya kalau headshot kan nambah darah aku. Ke atas. Aku ambil amonya dulu deh ya. Sabar Sarah. Sabar Sarah. Aku ambil ammo dulu. Baru looting. Mana tadi ammo? Woi, mana tadi ammo dah? Ah, ini dia. Ayo. Yuk.
Security personnel to the maintenance building.
It's locked. Hold on. Sarah Irene Whitaker, ID 2007659.
Sarah Irene Whitaker. Security has been breached. The Cloverdale facility is in lockdown. Repeat.
Override. ID 2007659. Override.
Security protocol Alpha 761 has been overridden.
You must not have locked out any security. You ready?
Alert.
This time?
Alert. 911 has been called.
This time?
Police are
We
on
know
their
what's
way. Stand down and you will not be harmed.
Mamam lu ya. Kaget kan lu?
This is a level 4 alarm. Multiple shots have been fired. Security personnel to the maintenance building.
Woi, buka woi.
Warning. Deadly
Mana sih?
is authorized.
Alah di atas situ tuh loh. Wah, cacat nih orang. Di atas situ ternyata. Kacanya tebal juga ya. Dah. Clear. Udah clear. Ayo. Masih ada di depan nih. One more time. Gym, ada gym. Terlalu bang, banyak item. Banyak bandage. Cure sign juga butuh aku nih. Berisik kali. Ih. Berisik banget.
Same here.
Alert. Gitu-gitu ya. Virus research. Wah. Benar-benar berisik, Pak. Alert. 911. Oke, ready?
Sarah Irene Whitaker, 2007659. Security override. Disable fucking users.
Access denied. Sarah Irene Whitaker, your security clearance has been revoked. Please seek an IT administrator for assistance.
Fucking bitch.
Hey! Going in that way would have been a death trap anyway. Had you gone on the other side of that door, it was aiming right here. Need a better plan. Well, maybe. Like, is there a way to do it?
There's a ledge.
Ya sini.
We will climb up to the roof and get AC.
You should be able to climb up from there. Listen, I want you to go up there, lay down some rescue fire, keep their attention. You're all looking up. I'm gonna go in from here. I'm gonna take you by surprise.
Oke.
What's that?
The door's locked.
Oke.
Come on, Amanda.
What?
Mana? Yang mana kita? Ini jendela. Mana?
They locked out security, but you forgot. It's from this
Oke.
station, temporary access. Alright, here's your ID. Ready?
Yeah.
Your full name, 5429009. Got that?
5429009. Is that right?
5420009. 5420009.
Here, and then I need you to help me out.
Iya, kocak Deacon gimana? Ya, Sarah, 5420009.
Ready?
Bantu dong.
Until I get their attention, you go in.
Hey, don't take any chances.
Kita perang di dalam nggak tuh?
These days, that's
Go.
Kan bener kan? Pas beda kalau begini dah, ya Allah.
Deacon Lee St. John, ID 5422909.
5429009.
Disable voice response.
Oke, nice. Halo kalian. Bam, ayo. Kaget gak? Kaget lah, masa enggak? Halo kalian. Apa kabar? Kalian sehat? Wah, nantangin gue. Kowe Ini di situ bang. Wis. Kita pakai ini aja deh. Weh kocak, ngapain turun, astagfirullahaladzim. Weh lu shotgun nih lu. Duh, kepencet turun dah. Udah pakai ini udah nggak usah bergayaan pakai pistol. Udah. Easy banget, Bang. Belagu lu ya, easy. Tar dulu, aku ambil medkit dulu di atas. Ya, nggak bisa ambil medkit, ya udahlah. Jim, ini dia.
Keren kan baju adik.
Ya udah sono ngapain orang lagi live streaming juga.
Jim, I'm gonna count to 1.
Don't understand.
2.
Look, don't do this.
3. Open the goddamn door.
All right.
Oke. Gudangnya lab ya kebuka.
Thank you, Jim. Yes, we know what we're doing. I'm sorry. We just can't take the risk.
Masih ngelawan nih loh.
Come on. I wanna get the hell out of here.
Bengong nggak tuh si Deacon? Ini dia labnya masih bersih, ya ampun, masih bersih banget itu. Kayak nggak ada, seolah-olah nggak terjadi apa-apa seolah-olah.
Wild ginger and grapefruit hair. And then all of this changed. They sealed everything off. They took away my clearance. David kept telling me that something was wrong. David Gorman, he was this research intern. You know what I said? I told him that we're hard work, we're high tech and all that shit, that there are billions of dollars at stake and to just leave it alone. And he didn't listen. He hacked the system, he got behind the firewall, he told me that this was some sort of classified project or something. I don't know. He wanted to be the next Edward Snowden. You see, he wanted to blow the lid off of this entire thing. David Gorman exposes the evil empire and saves the world and all that shit. And I didn't listen to him, Deacon. I told him that he was being paranoid. And he must have broken in here and then gotten some sample of whatever the hell they were cooking in here. I pieced it together in something a while ago. The night that I was stabbed, I went to the Cloverdale office in Fairwell and I went to go try and find David, but he was already gone. He'd been gone for 2 weeks. There was this big green expo. He must have gone to see a reporter. He was probably infected and he didn't even know it yet. And 2 days later, everybody at that conference was infected, and then they all got on planes and they went home. And a week later, 2.5 billion people were dead.
This couldn't be your fault. I mean, you couldn't have stopped it.
You don't understand. It's the research. My research was a part of this.
Okay.
Deacon, I was a part of this. They used me.
Berarti si David ini yang membuat infected yang menyebar lah, yang menyebarkan, yang aku tangkap ya. Jadi si researchnya Sarah ini, penemuan si Sarah ini, virus si infectednya itu diambil alih sama si David yang diceritain sama dia. Aku juga belum tahu si David siapa. Diambil alih, terus si David itu tiba-tiba menghilang. Beberapa minggu kemudian orang udah pada terinfeksi, katanya sih seperti itu.
It's just that there's a lot of food here.
Katanya mau close like lagi, berani kamu ya Deacon ya. Udah dilarang nih loh close like. We couldn't take a risk. Tuh, ya udah nggak apa deh, pakai lah. Rekku, itemku juga banyak, udah pakai. Cacat. Ada burung-burung nih loh. Mantep. Kita harus tembaki gitu Deacon. Oh, bakar. Buset. Buset deh, Bang, lu jangan gitu apa. Santai aja, bro, santai, bro. Allahu Akbar. Ngebokong kau ya dari kiri. Ngebokong, nyerangnya dari kiri ya. Pandai-pandaian lah kau. Mau nyerang lagi. Nggak kena bro. Ya elah, kena juga nggak tuh. Dah. Please. Reload nggak tuh? Lah ada burung di situ. Ini dimatiin powernya. Kayaknya si Sarah, kok aku punya bad feeling ya sama si Sarah ya. Takut kenapa-napa gitu tiba-tiba ya kan. Kan biasalah game.
Boozer is speaking. Lost Lake Camp, is anyone there?
Boozer.
Good to hear from you too. Listen, I don't got a lot of time. the research facility that Sarah used to work at, the one near Iron Butte, the one near the river. You know the one that I'm talking about, right? So listen, there's food here. Lots of food, corn, some Hell Rick and Hell Iron 1926.
Wait, you found her? What, you found Sarah? That is awesome, Dick. When are you bringing her back? What, to Lost Lake?
No.
Dik. Halo, halo, wih. Akhirnya ada yang nonton loh. Dari tadi sepi aja. Buzzer.
Okay, good. Listen up. Yeah, it's me. Listen.
Bacot banget. Maaf ya, terima nih, gak apa-apa. Jadi gak lihat WA, gak apa-apa, santai.
Ask Boozer. It's where Sarah used to work by Iron Butte. He's gonna know the place. You come over here. Are you kidding?
Dia punya satpam gak tuh? Kepala satpam kalau bahasa Indonesianya, head security. Mungkin kalau di sana bukan satpam ya. Di apa? Kalau zaman-zaman kayak gitu apa? Tentara atau kepala keamanan deh. Ricky Patil. Kita close lake lagi. Buset. Ada burung-burung nggak tuh? Lari ya. Adalah. Corey. Oh, kapten.
It's like Sarah, Lieutenant Whitaker said, there's an important piece of equipment that she needed, and this was the only place that she could get it. She's not answering her radio.
Ya kan aku bilang entar. To Boozer? Ya.
Yeah, I told him that you're fine. I had to get moving because we have to try to make it over the pass because of the weather.
What do you think?
I don't know. But it's worth a try, so let's get moving.
Oke. Kita bakal close lake kah? Kayaknya sih ya. Sarah. Jadi Boozer bakal crafting supply untuk si Deacon. Makanya kita harus dengerin radio dari si Deacon, dari si Boozer. Katanya sih seperti itu. Ya aku juga mencoba menceritakan yang aku ngerti aja. Yang aku nggak ngerti ya udah skip. Ini close lake enggak deh, enggak close lake ya. Balik lagi mereka. Lost Lake ini deh, ini Lost Lake. Iya ini Lost Lake nih, rumah ini aku tahu nih. Dingin sih emang. Basah sih bajunya ya, gara-gara kena salju. Semua baju pasti basah. Karena kan salju kan ada airnya kan. Dingin. Bukan kering salju kan. Bisa mencair. Makanya kenapa jagungnya tadi nggak dibawa? Wah, cacat tuh, astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. Ah, ilah, kocak. Apa ada begini-begini sih? Ya ampun. Butter. BTS Louis Timerson, ya ampun. Timerson want to hear play by day. Udah dong. Kocak. Kill my mind, bad guy, yeah. Butter tuh lagunya ini kan. BTS tauku. Soal adekku dengerin BTS mulu. Oh, mulai bersama kembali. Si Deacon sama si Sarah. Seperti itu kau ya. Nggak seru tapi ceritanya di sini banyak informasi di sini. Banyak hal-hal baru juga. Walaupun perangnya dikit. Cuma banyak informasi. Ya Allah, 1 subscriber lagi loh. Pada kabur viewernya. Enggak balik close like dia. Baliknya ini. Kirain close like lagi ke north. Liatin gak tuh, ha? Sama Corey. Kenapa kau Corey? Orang suami istri kok. Remote bomb. Ada misi baru kah? Kok buzzer ya? Ini masih ada beberapa sarang burung ya, tapi males aku deh. Ini. males clearinnya. Sarang burung mah biarin lah. Kita beli ammo dulu, ammo.
This is Corporal St. John. What's up, Captain? The infirmary. What's wrong? I'm on my way. Lieutenant Whitaker, are you there?
Special suppressor.
Sarah? Come in, Sarah.
Oh. Aduh, si Sarah kenapa nih? Deacon St. John.
Hey, Sarge. How's life?
Wah, nggak bener nih. Tenda si Sarah kan ini? Oh, bukan deng.
What's going on?
Captain? Dibunuh Dr. Jimenez.
Jesus Christ. Where's Taylor? Did Taylor say anything? All the narcotics in the camp.
I assigned it to you from the
Dokter Jimenez ya, jadi nggak ada orang, nggak punya dokter lagi dong mereka, nggak punya medik lagi, kepalanya medik. Alhamdulillah skill point pak. Range, focus reload, range weapon, quick reload, ability follow melee attack, melee, bolt knife. Ini penting sih, executioner. Jadi yang gede-gede itu kita bisa take down. Corporal Deacon Sejan. Pidato lagi.
This day, as the sun sets on this island, it all
Skip aja, skip. Gitu nambahin trust loh. Ambush camp. Berarti ini motor kita isiin dulu bensinnya. Lah masih 100. Dari tadi masih sarang nggak kepak. Fast travel aja biar cepet, lama ke jalan-jalan. Oke. Misinya di mana? Di dalam sih misinya.
St. John, Captain Curry.
This is Curry. Hey, go after Taylor. Several patrols have already been sent out. Crew's furious.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Captain Jimenez seems like the doctor we had.
Kan? Udah nggak punya dokter lagi. Boozer.
It's Deacon. Come back. Lost Lake Camp. Anyone there?
Nah, nyampe. Dari sini ke situ nyampe loh. Mantep.
Crater Lake, believe it or not. Hey,
It's good to hear from you again, brother. Thought maybe you were heading back.
no, Boozer, not yet. It's complicated. Look, I'm just sort of checking in. See how it's going.
Good, Deke. Things are going good. You'll never guess who may put in charge of security.
Wait, you?
Yeah, you got it. Guess you figured out with only one arm I can really cause half that much trouble.
Yeah, like I said, it's just checking.
Yeah, it's good to hear from you.
Iron Mike masih nambah nggak tuh trustnya? Trustnya masih nambah, bre. Berarti apakah ada kesempatan kita buat pulang ke Iron Mike ya? Menarik. Mau deket. Yuk, gas kena ya.
St. John, Captain Curry to Deacon St. John. Please report to me at Diamond Lake.
Yes, Captain, I'm here. Copy that.
Ada 2. Ada job lagi, ada job. Kita ambil jobnya dulu deh.
Corporal St. John, come in. I have a job.
Colonel, yes, sir. I'll be there ASAP.
Say John out. Lah. Lah, kenapa nih? Lah. Kok gini? Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. Ya udah kita save aja deh ya. Kita save aja deh.
Corporal St. John, listen up.
Kita ini aja deh. Review. Aku save aja. Aku udah save aja deh.